Morning, dear students. Now I want to discuss JEE Main 2021 question. The kinetic energy of an electron in the second Bohr's orbit of a hydrogen atom is equal to h square by xm a naught square. The value of 10x is. Here a naught is the radius of Bohr's orbit. A naught is the radius of Bohr's orbit. Now here A naught is the Bohr's radius orbit. Radius of orbit formula R equal to 0.529 n square by z angstroms. So now Bohr's radius here, Bohr's orbit, its radius. Bohr's orbit, its radius is equal to A naught. So generally here Bohr's orbit radius means we can take Bohr's orbit means we can take n equal to 1. N equal to 1. For hydrogen atom we can take Z equal to 1. Then R equal to 0.529 and first energy level, always Bohr's orbit means we can take ground level. Ground energy level, we can take first energy level 1 by atomic number 1. So that is equal to 0.529 angstrom. That is nothing but A naught. This is Bohr's orbit radius value. So in the place of 0.529 we can take A naught. Now coming to here MVR equal to, we can take this formula, MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. We can take this formula, MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. So angular momentum of an electron is integral multiple of energy levels. MVR equal to NH by 2 pi we can take. And here from this we can take V equal to NH by, V equal to NH by 2 pi mR. Now kinetic energy formula we can take now. We can take kinetic energy formula. What is the kinetic energy formula of mv square? Kinetic energy equal to of mv square. Now of m, in the place of v we can write nh by 2 pi mr square we can take. Now here 1 by 2 m n square h square by 4 pi square m square r square. Now here m, half of the m cancel. Now we can write n square h square by 8 pi square m r square we can take. Now here r means that is Bohr's orbit radius. That r equal to, we can take r formula, we can take first one. So here n given now, here question once observe the kinetic energy of an electron in the second Bohr's orbit of hydrogen atom is equal to h square by xm a naught square na. So second Bohr's orbit of hydrogen atom, that means n equal to 2 and for hydrogen atom z equal to 1. We can take these values. So now here in the place of n we can take 2. So 2 square means 4 h square by 8 pi square m. In the place of r you can take 0.529 again n square by z angstrom. This formula we can take. Understood? Now here 4 1s 4 2s 8 cancel. So h square by 2 pi square m and in the place of 0.529 we can take Bohr's radius, its value a naught we can take, and n value, n value second orbit 4, and hydrogen atom Z value atomic number 1, we can take this one. Now, and again this is n square by Z, here actually r square, no, so square is there, square, clear? Yeah. So now from this we can write h square by 2 pi square m. Here we can write a naught square and into 4 4 is 16 we can take. So this is the value. Now from this we can write, okay, from this we can write from this we can write kinetic energy is equal to h square by okay, h square by, here given h square by ma naught square, we can take common h square by ma naught square, m a naught square, h square by ma naught square, we have to take cancel, sorry, we have to take common, h square by ma naught square, rest of the part is x. So now what is the rest of the part here? H square by ma naught square, no? So 2 16 is 32 pi square, yes, 32 pi square. Now then the 32 pi square we can take one x value, this is x actually, h square by m a naught square, na, then this is the required expression, understood? Now here x equal to, tell me, 32 pi square. Now 32 into pi value we can take 3.14 into 3.14. Then what is this value here? 315.507 its value. But here in the question what value asking here? 10x. So 10x equal to 10 into this one we can take. So then 3155.07. So nearest integer value 3155. So this is right answer. Understood? This is the right answer. I hope everyone understood this procedure. This is from atomic structure lesson. First, Bohr's radius, that is nothing but a naught equal to 0.529. Then we can take mr equal to nh by 25 formula. From that we can take v value. That v value can substitute in kinetic energy formula. Just we can simplify. But at the same time, here in the place of n value we can take 2, because here Bohr's here second energy level hydrogen atom given. Second energy level for hydrogen atom asking kinetic energy. So n equal to 2 we can substitute, and z 1, and then at the same time here r, in the place of r again you can substitute formula 0.529 n square by z angstroms. So now you can simplify, and finally we got this value here, 10x value asking. So I hope everyone understood this solution. Once go through the solution so you can understand the solution. Thank you so much.